Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. This is the third tutorial in this tutorial series, how to program in Android Studio. This tutorial will be really short. I only explain how to remove an application from your Android Studio. It's really important because many guys have a problem with it. So here we have testing removing application. So now we go to our file explorer and we go to C, then users, your username, and then go to Android Studio projects, and you should see your removing app. And now it's really easy, only delete it like this, and here it will be popping as red, and basically close this. And now it's done. Yeah, I say it will be a really short video, but this this was probably so confusing, but you can like this easily remove your Android Studio project and it will be 100% safe. So I hope you learned something new. In this next tutorial I will explain the basic programmation of an XML file. So stay excited and like, subscribe this video, and bye bye.